I'm in a crawl space and I wanted to share some things with you. So this is a 100-year-old house, older than 100 years old, and it's got some really cool features, things that I am just enamored by, but my home inspector is not. But be that as it may, I'm going to show these things to you. So here is the wall, the foundation that the home was built on, and it's layers and layers of rocks. And they put in a kind of mortar for this, but it's basically limestone. So of course over time that's going to fall apart. But it looks really cool. I mean, it's very beautiful. Now the floor joists, check them out. They are actually trees. Isn't that cool? I mean, that's resourceful, right? This is like back when Daniel Boone was building houses. I love it. I just think it's really cool. So I wanted to share with you what we found today. So again, here's the back wall, and you can see they fixed a foundation crack back here, which was good. But we have some things to talk about when my buyer comes.
Let me show you a place.